morning, Morgan Middle School. Welcome to Spirit Week. Tomorrow is Camo Day, Wednesday is Western Day, Thursday is Hawaiian Day, and Friday is Spirit Day. This Wednesday there will be activities during lunch. For Spirit Week this year, we will be doing grade wars. To earn points for your grade, dress up or participate in the lunch activities on Wednesday. The winning grade will receive bragging rights and a prize. Spirit shirts and hoodies are on sale. Order forms are in the office. Shirts are $15 and hoodies are $25. Turn your order form in and payment into the office by Thursday, September 19th.
Now a message from Ms. Morrell and Mr. Christensen.
Welcome back. We want to compliment you on your behavior so far. You guys have been amazing. Thank you so much for picking up trash. Thank you for walking in the halls. We've just noticed a lot of positive feedback, so thank you. We do want to talk a little bit about dress code. Really, it's hard for us to have to take time to call you down, for your teachers to send you down. Please just follow the dress code. Make it simple. We don't love dress code. We try to stay consistent. Help us out and follow the dress code. Thank you.
Next week is Spirit Week, or this week I guess now by the time you watch this. This week's Spirit Week. We're really excited for Spirit Week. Make sure you pay attention to announcements and the signs around the school for our dress-up days. We're looking forward to a fun week.
Speaking of fun week, we have a special guest speaker coming next week. His name is Mr. Matt Blanchard. He's amazing. He's so inspirational. We're really excited for him to come on next Thursday, the 12th. He'll be here at 9 a.m. We're actually going to be going to the high school. Please be on your best behavior walking to the high school and also in the auditorium. We know you will, though.
Yep. One last thing is we really want to make sure as you guys are at lunch to look around and see if you see anybody sitting by themselves. If there's anybody that's sitting alone, invite them over to your group and make some new friends. You guys are awesome kids. Morgan is the best place to be, and so we want to show any new students or lonely students just how awesome it is to be here. So make sure you find those students that need somebody to sit by. Thanks.
On a final note, thank a teacher. Your teachers have worked so hard to get ready for this year. You guys have the best teachers in the state, in the nation, and in the world. So thank a teacher. Make sure that you know that it matters to them when you thank them. Thanks, you're amazing, and remember, you belong here.
7th and 8th grade FBLA members will meet this Wednesday, the 11th, after school in Ms. Fulmer's room. If you would like to join FBLA, talk to Mr. Fulmer.
7th and 8th graders, if you would like to join Kindness Crew, talk to Mrs. Schroeder. The next meeting will be next Wednesday, September 18th, after school in Mrs. Schroeder's room. And remember kindness rules. 7th and 8th grade students who would like to join Discovery Labs, talk to Mrs. Burt and Mr. Richens.
Message from the Hope Squad.
Please stand and repeat after us.
I am confident in my abilities.
I am always learning and growing. I am happy.